Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Audacity tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to enable dark mode in Audacity. This is actually quite simple. To do this I first open Audacity and here we see that I'm currently using light mode. For dark mode I now click on Edit and go to Preferences. Here I have to choose the Interface tab and under Theme I can change my theme from light to dark or even other themes. So I click on Dark and OK. My theme will be changed directly without even starting Audacity, pretty handy. There are other modes available in the same way, but I personally don't find them very comfortable to work with. But you can try them out since you know the way now. And that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye!